Hey there, Dr. Crypto here with a crypto market update and an XTP TAP Global update too. So, down below in the description, if you want to sign up to TAP Global or you want to sign up to crypto.com, I've got links down below. And also, not forgetting, if you could give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. As always, it's much appreciated. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, as we know, yesterday was an extremely volatile day. We had the CPI data come out and we came out at 6.4. Expectations was 6.2. But the market ended up being pretty volatile, but then ended up stabilising with Bitcoin pushing up. And also we had TAP Global make quite a big move as well. But yeah, so looking at the markets at the moment for XTP, you were just in this consolidation range, if you ask me. You know, we're sort of like the highs of 0.0119 cents and a low of 0.10 cents. So as you say, we keep on hitting, creating this support here. As you can see, we came up, came down, bounced straight off that, straight up. Consolidated here, as you can see, around this mark here, and then we came back down. And then we sort of bounced back up. We created down here this bull flag, and then we popped straight back up. We went up around about on this marker here, from here to here. We came up around about 25% yesterday. We slightly oversold, overbought on the stock RSI, and also we're gradually making our way up on the Lux Algo Oscillator. It's gradually starting to turn green and starting to push up. But like I say, with the stock RSI, it's saying it's overbought. But obviously, that doesn't mean we can't push further up. It's like if it's oversold, it could push further down, or it could just range sideways. But at the moment, we're just chopping a bit sideways now. We had that big push up, and now we're chopping sideways. So obviously, all depending what the markets does over this next day or two, because like I said, we've got some important market updates coming today, tomorrow, and Friday for the stock markets. So yeah, so it's going to be quite, as America opens up, it's going to be quite volatile every day. So stay safe out there if you're doing any short-term trading. But like I said, on the market, we're looking quite healthy on the charts. So yeah, you can't really grumble after all. It's had like a 10,000% push up from beginning of January. So these little drop downs we have, not worried at all. But if you look on the coin market cap, it says here 16.47% as of today. So we're gradually up on that as well. On the market cap, fully diluted, same, up at that. Volume, 24 hours, 138%. Sentiment, a lot of people are positive and bullish. You are getting a few people who are bearish, but I always say, for me, this is a long-term hold. TAP Global, XTP is a long-term hold all the way to 2024. Whenever this bull market happens, I want to be a part of it. I don't want to be selling now. And then we end up, the bull market starts to happen and I've sold too early. I want to get it right. I have a plan and I want to hold, I'm going to be holding up my coins 2024, and I'll probably hold some, but I will take profit, but I will be holding as well. So as we start really going up there, if we do, when we do get this bull market again, I want to be holding. And when we get drops like we did yesterday, I accumulated. As soon as it dropped right down, I bought some more, and I'm holding, and I'll do that again. If we drop down again, I'll buy some more, and that's what I do. It's not just with that. When we CRO, with PYR, Vulcan Forge, Filecoin, all them, I just keep accumulating. I hold, and obviously with some more coins I hold as well. But TAP Global's got such a lot going for it. We've got the Americas coming up, potentially a bit of an upgrade to the app, and then we've also potentially going to have more exchanges to be added on, So, but also we had on here on the TAP. On the Twitter page, we had here, you got XTP USDT trading pairs listed on Bitfinex Global. Do not miss out. The launch will be on February the 15th at 5 p.m. CET. So that's going to bring a lot more liquidity into XTP. So this could well push the price up further. And like I said, you don't know what's around the corner. Today we could get an announcement of another exchange that's XTP's been added. You do not know. We've got the Americas coming up in March. We've also got the potential subject to regulatory approval. We've got the earn, and no doubt at some point they will be adding more benefits to the app. So you just got to keep your ears to the ground. And I always say, people saying, what news is coming out? What news is coming out? If you want to find out more news as well, just go to the TAP Global website, go right down to the bottom page and go to regulatory news, and it will give you all that information here. And it says here 100k plus verified users, 45 user countries, 30 plus cryptos. No doubt they'll be adding more cryptos to the app. But if you want to get more news, up-to-date news, you can come to this regulatory news, or I keep also saying a lot of times, go to investigate.co.uk, go to company, type in TAP Global, click the search, and it will give you any information of who's bought in terms of people who work for TAP Global, directors and such like, and also any new partnerships that are coming up. And also it will give, when it time comes, their finances. You know, you'll get their finances that will come on here at some point. And that. So just keep an eye out on this. I check this every day, an hour before the stock market opens. I will check it, and now and again I'll check it throughout the daytime as well. I don't get obsessed like checking it every couple of minutes. I'll check it like every few hours or something like that, just to see what's going on. But you know, what I've noticed is we're starting to get TAP Global being a lot more active on Twitter, because there's a lot of things behind, I have no doubt, behind closed doors is happening. They're busy bees. And where the busy bees are, they're there getting the pollen and getting the honey. So just be aware, just keep checking Twitter, keep checking Investigate, their regulatory news, because you don't know what will come on at any point in time. So just bear that one in mind. But you know, when you go back to the charts, when you look at the charts, XTP, it is looking fairly healthy. And if we go to the just go to the 1 day, you know, and you can see here, look at that. It's just like we've had that big 10,000% push up, and we're just consolidating around here. And I'm expecting at some point we get some big news, because a lot of these cryptos at the moment, you know, are reacting to news quite strongly, you know. So I just see we're just consolidating here nicely in this area, and expecting, you know, to push up if we get any kind of news. So, but like I said, it's not financial advice. You know, we could easily end up going down again. You know, but at the same time, we could end up going up. It's that up and down scenario. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. If you like, give us a like and give us a thumbs up. And also, description, if you want to sign up to crypto.com or the TAP Global website, there is links down below too. So I'll be doing no doubt more content on this. But I hope everybody has a great day. Stay safe out there, and I will see you in the next video.